You wake up tomorrow morning, open your phone, and instead of doom scrolling like the rest of us, there's a little notification waiting for you. Not from Instagram, not from TikTok, but from your bank. $112 deposited. No fireworks, no get rich now nonsense. Just a quiet, steady, boring little income stream powered by AI. And the crazy part? This isn't some YouTube guru fantasy where someone makes $10,000 in 2 hours while sipping coconut water on a Bali rooftop. This is real people in real cities using simple AI tools to make real money. The type that actually pays for groceries, Wi-Fi, Netflix, and that one friend who always forgets their wallet. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down money, business, and the new digital economy without the hype, without the hustle bro cliches, and without those fake, I made $100,000 with one prompt screenshots. Today, we're going deep into the world of AI tools that quietly help normal humans make $100 a day. Nothing insane, nothing unrealistic, just practical, repeatable digital income streams that are already happening around the world. But to understand how this all works, we need to start with one unexpected story. 2 months ago, Daniel didn't know what prompt engineering meant. He thought mid-journey was the feeling you get when you're stuck in traffic halfway home. And he definitely didn't know how to make money online. He was your typical 9-to-5 guy, tired, broke, scrolling TikTok until his soul left his body every night at 1 a.m. Then one evening, while looking for a recipe for cheap chicken meals, he stumbled onto something weird. People using AI tools to complete tasks that used to take professionals hours in just minutes. Not fake results, not screenshots, just simple tasks, voiceovers, thumbnails, real estate listing descriptions, resume rewrites, transcribing, editing, basic marketing content. And Daniel did what any of us would do. He thought it was a scam, but curiosity wins. He tried one thing, just one. A local business needed product descriptions for their small online shop. They paid $35 for a batch. Daniel used an AI assistant, rewrote them with a human touch, sent the final draft, and boom, he made his first $35 in under 40 minutes. He didn't get rich. He didn't quit his job. He didn't scream financial freedom from the rooftop. He just quietly made money. That was the moment Daniel realized something important. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces time, and time is expensive. So he kept going. Small tasks, small clients. One day, $40. The next, $75. A week later, $118. Not glamorous, but consistent. And that's exactly what this video is about. The realistic version of making $100 a day with AI, grounded in real work and real value. Not dreams, not hype. Here's the secret influencers hide behind those Lamborghini thumbnails. AI doesn't magically print money. It enhances your ability to deliver value. Faster, cheaper, and better. It's like putting a power drill in the hands of a carpenter. A drill doesn't make you rich, but it makes you faster. And in the modern economy, speed is the new currency. With the right tools, a beginner can sound like a professional writer. A non-designer can create polished digital content. A shy person can have a studio-quality voice. A slow editor can suddenly work at pro speed. A real estate beginner can produce descriptions, ads, and photos that look legit. Lightning in a bottle, except the bottle is your laptop. It's not one massive project. It's not one genius talent. It's several small tasks, each taking minutes instead of hours. A $15 edit here, a $25 transcription there, a $40 thumbnail or voiceover, a $30 real estate description for a landlord who has no time to write. Suddenly the numbers add up. And the tools, that's where the magic really happens. But instead of dumping a long list of top 50 AI tools you'll never use, let's talk about what's actually working for real people, right now, without hype. You've got creators using AI video tools to produce short-form content for small businesses who desperately need TikTok and Instagram Reels but don't know how to make them. You've got virtual assistants using AI writing tools to deliver 10 tasks in the time it used to take to finish one. You've got real estate agents hiring AI freelancers to generate polished listing descriptions that sound high-end and professional. Because perception sells. You have small businesses outsourcing tiny tasks they just don't want to do. Emails, captions, SEO snippets, blog intros, basic research, simple graphics, template-based designs. And every time someone pays you $10, $15, $25, AI helps you deliver faster, better, and without burning out. That's how normal people hit the $100 per day mark. Not overnight, not magically, but through consistency and speed. AI gives you the speed. Because let's be honest, whenever someone claims I make $100 per day with AI, people immediately think, oh great, another guy telling me to create faceless YouTube channels with GPT voiceovers of motivational quotes. Relax. No one is forcing you to create a YouTube channel full of wolves howling at the moon with inspiring text overlays. We're keeping it real today. The world is changing faster than your phone's battery drops when you open Snapchat with low signal. Businesses are drowning in tasks. People are drowning in responsibilities. Everyone needs help. AI is the bridge. Not glamour, not hype, just efficiency. The people who learn to use these tools now, even at a beginner level, will be the ones ahead 5 years from today. Because AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who don't know how to use AI. AI can draft the work, but you add the soul, the tone, the emotion, the judgment, the quality control. AI can write a paragraph, but you decide whether it sounds human. And that little difference, that's what gets you paid. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than the person who's not using tools. So what did we learn today? Not that AI will make you rich overnight, not that you need a special skill or secret course, but that with the right mindset and the right tools, you can start building small, steady income streams that stack up quietly in the background of your life. It's not loud, it's not flashy, it's not viral, it's mature, practical, predictable. And in a world obsessed with shortcuts, predictability is underrated. If you found value in this video, or if it finally helped you understand how AI can realistically put money in your pocket, hit that like button so YouTube doesn't hide this video like it hides all your gym motivation videos. Subscribe if you want more content on personal finance, AI, and the digital economy without the hype. And as always, thanks for watching, stay curious, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.